Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging on your Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and check the settings. So before we do anything, we want to go to the battery, and here, as you guys can see, we got power sharing for an example. Of course, we got the charge boost. You can easily enable that, and then it will also boost the wireless charging. Now here we have the power sharing, and first we're gonna start off with the reverse wireless charging. So just enable power sharing. As you guys can see here, you also have a tutorial on how to do this. So we're gonna click OK, and now it is turned on. We're gonna fold our phone entirely. And here we're just gonna press it like this. Now here we can try and just place our device. As you guys can see, if it's not going through, we want to make sure that we have it enabled. And sometimes the placement can matter too. So as you guys can see, it's really hard. For the AirPods, it's right at the top here. Now that's basically how you guys can tell that they're charging, because we got the red LED light, and that's how we know that our charging works. Of course, we get a vibration every time we try to do that. And now let's go over and do the wireless charging. So here I have the wireless charging pad. Now, of course, it is a bit it's just going down a bit, so sometimes it may not connect perfectly, but if you have a normal one, then it will connect without any issues. As you guys can see, now the phone is practically levitating here, and I can show it to you guys like that. As you guys can see, it's not going in entirely, so you have to think of a setup. But as you guys can see, now we got it, and our wireless charging may increase energy consumption. So it charges from an angle. Now that's how you guys can do it, and of course it is charging with the 50 watts. So you need to make sure that your charging pad definitely has the support for 50 watts, then it will charge it. And reverse wireless charging, you guys seen how it worked. And here we can also do the reverse wire charging over the USB-C. So let me place the phone right here. Now I'm gonna unplug the charging pad, and we're gonna plug the first part into our phone. Once we do that, we can just go ahead and put it in our AirPods, and they will also charge. So you can do it wirelessly, or you can do it by cable, but it's the same cable basically connecting it. So that's how you guys can do it, of course. And that's it for the video. So that's how you guys can use the wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.